Here we are in Kingston Springs, Tennessee. I'm Sean Frost, and I'm here managing a project for Derek Johnson from JVI Secret Gardens. This project is very unique in that there's no home here. It's purely a recreational site. So what you have in the background here is a giant pond. It's about 150 by 110, I believe. We've put in two 30 by 40 wetlands for filtration. And then we have two streams that are about 30 feet long and about 12 feet wide. And the whole idea is to have these giant cascading streams going down into this pond. It's converted into a recreational swim pond so that all of the homeowners' friends and family can come here, jump off of this cliff face, which is going to be right over here. We're going to have an engineered wall, 16 feet high, that they can jump off of into the pond and swim around there. And then on the far end and all the way around the perimeter of this, there's going to be a razor trail. So a ATV type trail. There's banks that they can go up on the sides, little jumps and hoop-de-hoos. Really interesting part is down there where you see all those machines in the distance, there's going to be a water crossing. So with some rock crawling, so they can crawl down over those rocks, twisting and turning, and they're going to be crossing the intake. So it'll be like a river that they're crossing. And that's going to be really neat. We just finished setting the larger stones in that area this morning. So we'll take a look at that in just a moment. So here we are in the intake to this giant recreational swim pond. And behind me, the guys are finishing up setting the stone in the intake just to create the outside edges. But right here behind me is where that razor crossing happens. You notice those stones kind of slope in and step down into the lower part. There'll be about 12 inches of water over the top of those stones. So when they go through there in the razors, that water is going to be right up to the floorboards. And they're going to have to kind of rock crawl up and over those rocks and up onto each side of that crossing. So that's going to be a really intricate, nice focal point of this project. We're finishing up for today in this intake. We've got this crossing pretty well hammered out. We're just really excited about it, to get that first razor through here, you know, water splashing up around it. Well, this 90,000 gallons of water is rushing through this intake. It's going to be impressive. But I just want to put a shout out to the other contractors that are here. We have Modern Design Aquascapes. Tristan and his three guys are here. Up in the excavator, we have April Dugan with American Waterscapes. And I'm Sean Frost with NatureScapes. Last but not least, thank you to Derek Johnson for bringing all of us out here to create this amazing project. Can't wait to see what it looks like. Like us all, follow us all on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and any other place you want to follow us.